How to find square root of 2401 by long division method? Make pair first from right hand side to left hand side. So this is our first pair, this is our second pair. In this pair, for this pair, we have to consider here a number whose square will be equal to 24 or nearest to 24. Look, if I take here 4 square equal to 16, but if I take here 5 square equal to 25, which is greater than 24. So 4 is correct. Same digit will come to the quotient also. 4 times 4, 16. Okay. Subtract your 8. Bring down the next pair. Same digit will come under this divisor. 4 plus 4, 8. Now here you have to consider a number, right? And you need to multiply. And this product will be equal to 801 or nearest to this. If you consider here 8, then what will happen? 8 times 8, 64. Write 4, carry 6 to the next column. 8 times 8, 64. 64 plus 6, that gives us 70. 704, here 800, 0. Okay, increase 1, right? Let's put here 9. 9 times 9, 81. Write 1, 8 to the next column. 9 times 8, 72 plus 8 means 80. So the product is equal to this. So 9 times 89, which is 801. Subtract 0. Since you have placed here the digit 9, 9 will come here. Okay, and you need to add 9 plus 9, 18. Write 8, carry 1 to the next column, 9. The double of 49 is 98. Okay, so the square root of 2401 by long division method is 49.